Realme launched its new affordable smartphone under C series in India called Realme C100x, with built an elegant pulse light feature for notifications. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Realme C100x features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni-SoC T7250 chipset paired with Mali G57 and P1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, with dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. As per the optics, the Realme C100x sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f1.8 aperture, and at the front it has 5-megapixel selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.5 by 78.2 by 8.8mm, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C100x has been priced in India at 14,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Golden Coast and Deep Blue Tides color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C100x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.